So the first thing you need to know is that most dance songs will have an intro section and an outro section that are both 16 bars in length. The DJ program you're using will show you the bars here. We are going to be mixing the 16 bar intro of track B into the 16 bar outro of track A. The first thing you need to do is choose two songs that are a similar BPM and load them into track A and track B on your DJ decks. If the two tracks are a slightly different speed, make sure you match them exactly with the tempo slider. Now we are going to learn where you should bring in track B. Go to the last main bar of track A and count back 16 bars. Once you have done this, mark this point with a hot cue, which we will be using in a minute as a reference point. Now go to track B and mark a cue point on the first beat of the first bar. Bring your crossfader over to track A and press play. On track B, practice tapping along to the beat by tapping the cue button. Look out for that hot cue that we set earlier on track A. Once you see it pass that line in the middle of your DJ software, press and hold the cue button that we've been tapping, then press the play button. If the bars of track A and track B are out of sync with each other, as indicated here, you can use the outer ring of your jog wheel to nudge the track forward or back to put them back into sync with each other. Now, slowly move the crossfader from the left to the right and you have successfully done your first beat match and DJ blend. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you guys are interested in learning how to DJ in a quick, easy and fun way, make sure you go and check out beginnerdjlessons.com, where I can teach you everything you would need to know to do your first DJ gig and way more. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video.